Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Tonight, I'm going to be showing you how to take out the bottom bit of the dash in your clubman or even in your bullnose. And more specifically, because I did it in the last video, a lot of people asked like, well, how do you take off the bottom one? And I'm going to go show you why and like how to do it. So as you can see here, the top dash is out, and so is my wiring harness. I took that up because it's a tedious job and no one wants to see that. So I did it off camera. But anyway, top dash is out. Now we get to the bottom dash, right? And you can't get this thing out. So I mean, you can pull and you'll just end up breaking something. I mean, sometimes they also hook the bottom vinyl at the back, but this is basically how most of them are. Even in my bullnose, same story. So I'm going to show you how to take it off. Let's start with the tools. Really basic stuff. You're going to need a cloth, some screwdrivers, and a mallet or a really light soft hammer. Let's hop on the car and I'll show you exactly what to do. So now we're inside the car. We are again. I've got my screwdriver, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the cloth over the tip of it, and this thing, you can see inside there these little clips that it latches onto the back of it with. So there are a couple of them all the way along this silver lining. So this basically clips the vinyl in the back of it together. So what you're going to want to do is get your screwdriver. I mean, you can take it off and just take it to it like this, but it's going to damage this piece of trim, and I think it's quite rare. So take your screwdriver, put it in your piece of cloth like that, cover the tip, and see if you can't persuasively like get it in like that. So what you're gonna have to do is basically get it in and tap, 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 tap. So until it pops out. I'm gonna put you down because I can't do this one hand, and we're gonna see how it goes. So let's give it a bang. As you can see, after the third knock, it comes, well, I mean, yours could be a bit stubborn, but you can see these little clips, so they bite onto the back of this. And yeah, so I'm going to knock out that side and then show you how to take it out. Okay, now that it's out, it's going to be quite a challenge to pull it out. So you want to maneuver it, make sure that it's off. You want to maneuver it and try not to bend this because it's really, really fragile. Oh, I just lost a peg. But this is how to get out the trim, basically, behind. This is it. This is literally all it is, nothing special. And just like that, come to it and pull the back of it off. Like that, just like that. And come to this side, same thing. Sometimes you might have to get like a screwdriver or something in the back of it just to pull it out. But there we go, once it's out, it's out. There we go, bit of persuasion. So that's basically how they get it out. That's one dash out. Look, sweetie wrapper. Oh, the joys of old cars. Here's my whole pile of sweetie wrappers. That's going to wrap up today's video. Short, easy, quick and simple, yet effective. That's how we like our videos on the channel. Anyway, thanks again for watching, guys. Like, subscribe, comments, all those things. And don't forget to always send it. Catch you guys on the next one.